back to another video.
Hey, today we decided to bake
Yippee!
cookies. We're gonna make some cookies today, so we are gonna be making chocolate chips cookies. So Liana is already mixing the ingredients, and then I think we're gonna use the rest of the ingredients on the
Mixer.
mixer. So welcome back.
Yummy.
Pour some more in there. Thank you for watching. Kayana just finished up her last batch. Show your cookies. So, yep, we are done. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye.
Bye.